Thawing frozen ground is the first step in winter soil placement. In Canada, the ground can freeze solid in winter. This makes it hard to work with. Consult with Aspira Engineering Limited for consultation. One way to deal with this is by using ground heaters. These can warm the soil, making it easier to dig and move. Another method involves insulated blankets. These blankets trap heat in the ground. They prevent the soil from freezing too much. You can place them over the area you plan to work on. This keeps the ground softer and more manageable. Call 780-569-3638. Yeah, www.espirang.com. Excavation is also an option. Digging out frozen soil can be tough but effective. Machines like excavators can break up the hard ground. This allows you to remove the frozen layer and reach the softer soil underneath. These methods help prepare frozen ground for soil placement. They make the work easier and more efficient. Always plan ahead and choose the best method for your project. Contact Aspira Engineering Limited for consultation at info@espirang.com. Managing soil in winter requires special care. In Canada, soil can freeze quickly. Protecting stockpiled soil is crucial. Cover your soil piles with tarps or plastic sheeting. This keeps moisture out and prevents the soil from freezing. Thawing soil before use is important. Frozen soil is hard to work with. You can use heaters or blankets to warm the soil. This makes it easier to handle and place where needed. Moisture control is another key factor. Wet soil can freeze faster. Keep your soil as dry as possible. If the soil is too wet, it can become hard and clumpy when it freezes. This makes it difficult to spread and compact. Proper soil management ensures that your project runs smoothly. Keep your soil covered and dry. Thaw it when necessary to make it easier to work with. These steps will help you manage soil effectively in winter. Contact Aspira Engineering Limited for consultation at info@espirang.com. Compacting soil in winter can be challenging. Frozen soil is hard and brittle. This makes it difficult to compact properly. Using heavier equipment can help. Machines like rollers and compactors apply more pressure. This helps to compact the soil more effectively. Moisture control is also important in compaction. Dry soil compacts better than wet soil. Make sure to manage the moisture levels in your soil. This will make the compaction process easier. Another technique is to compact in layers. Instead of compacting all the soil at once, do it in small layers. This ensures that each layer is compacted properly. It also reduces the risk of air pockets forming in the soil. Compaction is crucial for soil stability. Proper techniques ensure that the soil is solid and secure. Use heavier equipment, control moisture, and compact in layers for the best results. Consult with Aspira Engineering Limited for consultation at info@espirang.com. Section 4. Temperature monitoring. Monitoring temperatures is vital during winter soil placement. Soil can freeze quickly in cold weather. Keeping track of temperatures helps you plan your work. Use thermometers or other temperature sensors to monitor the soil. Preventing soil from freezing is key. If the temperature drops too low, use heaters or blankets. These tools help maintain the right temperature for working with soil. Timing is also important. Work during the warmer parts of the day. This helps keep the soil from freezing. Avoid working during extreme cold periods when the soil can freeze quickly. Temperature monitoring ensures that your soil stays workable. Keep an eye on the weather and soil temperatures. Use tools and timing to prevent freezing and keep your project on track. Consult with Aspira Engineering Limited for consultation at info@espirang.com. Section 5. Snow management. Snow management is an important part of winter soil placement. Snow can cover your work area and make it harder to see and move soil. Removing snow is essential. Use shovels, snow blowers, or plows to clear the area. Snow can also be used as an insulator. When managed carefully, it can protect the soil from freezing. Pile snow around the edges of your work area. This helps to trap heat and keep the soil warmer. Be careful with snowmelt. Melting snow can add moisture to the soil. This can cause it to freeze faster. Make sure to manage the moisture levels to prevent the soil from becoming too wet. Proper snow management helps keep your work area clear and the soil at the right temperature. Remove excess snow, but use it strategically to insulate the soil. This will make your winter soil placement more effective. Consult with Aspira Engineering Limited for consultation at info@espirang.com.